Congress core group meeting has now begun at 7 Racecourse Road. We have Nandita joining us live outside 7 RCR for more on the story. Nandita, the government of course has been evasive as far as it's dealing with Baba Ramdev and dissuading him from his fast is concerned, but we can certainly expect that particular issue to dominate today's proceedings.
Well, today's meeting quite clearly is going to focus on what the government as well as the Congress party is going to adopt as its strategy to deal with the entire Ramdev issue. Sources telling us that perhaps what will also be on the discussion table is the fact that yesterday's decision by the government to go and send a battery of ministers to receive Baba Ramdev and to hold that meeting at the airport. There have been murmurs that that decision was taken without keeping the Congress party leaders in loop. How did that miscommunication happen? Why was there a gap between the party and the government? That issue also is likely to be addressed in this Congress core group meeting, which just began about 10 minutes ago. The meeting is expected to go on for at least an hour or so, and then there will be clarity on how the government plans to go ahead. And the effort really is going to be that there should be no divergence of views in how to deal with this problem between the party and the government. A very clear divide has emerged in the last 24 hours. Leaders from the Congress have been saying that they weren't pleased with the way the battery of ministers went. It seemed like giving too much importance to Baba Ramdev. That's a criticism that the party has mentioned against the government, and that's why the party has decided that officially they're not going to speak at all about this entire fast by Baba Ramdev. That's why since yesterday morning we've not seen an official statement from any spokesperson of the Congress party. They've left it upon the government really to deal with it now.